What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BDK, back with another video. And today, I'm going to be jumping off a mountain. I'm going to be driving
at
off
La
a mountain.
French Baguette Casino. The 10th caller is going to have to answer our trivia question of the day to win them. Let's go to the phones. Hello, caller. You're on the air. Are you ready for your trivia question?
Oh my gosh, I am!
Okay, here it is. A train leaves Central Station moving southeast at 75 miles per hour. 15 minutes.
Stupid! Bro, YouTube, I am so lucky. If I didn't have, do you know how much money I would have to pay? After having to put my business in that. I'm so see my bill is $100,000. I have more than $100,000 because I'm just that rich. I'm so lucky, YouTube. Hey, comment down below if y'all want to do a shopping spree. If I do a shopping spree, I'm gonna buy so much food. I'm gonna buy so much goods. Surely I have $1 million. What's up, people? I have to go do something. Bro, I already have this. I swear, I already have this guitar. Oh my god, that was a good song. Okay, let's go to this. I have another one. I have two of these. I already have this gun. Bro, they are, oh my god, they've been so stupid today. Come on, give me the jack. I already have this. Oh my god. Man, these boxes suck. They give me the same stuff. I don't have no more of them. That's so dumb. They give me the same stuff. I didn't know I was this rich, but peace, YouTube.